150 sentences for beginners. The flowers are beautiful. Negative. The flowers aren't beautiful. Yes/no question. Are the flowers beautiful? WH question. How are the flowers? Tag question. The flowers are beautiful, aren't they? Sammy plays the piano. Negative. Sammy doesn't play the piano. Yes/no question. Does Sammy play the piano? WH question. Who plays the piano? Tag question. Sammy plays the piano, doesn't he? Camila loves animals. Negative. Camila doesn't love animals. Yes/no question. Does Camila love animals? WH question. What does Camila love? Tag question. Camila loves animals, doesn't she? My uncle reads a letter. Negative. My uncle doesn't read a letter. Yes/no question. Does my uncle read a letter? WH question. What does my uncle read? Tag question. My uncle reads a letter, doesn't he? Tom and G clean the car. Negative. Tom and G don't clean the car. Yes/no question. Do Tom and G clean the car? WH question. What do Tom and G do? Tag question. Tom and G clean the car, don't they?